In this video, we will review this most powerful buy-sell indicator strategy that was created by TradeGenius in order to see if it's actually as powerful as claimed. We will do that by backtesting it 150 times using a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And if we find any issues with this strategy, we will of course try and fix them to make the strategy even better. TradeGenius did a great job of explaining this strategy, and if you want to watch their video, you can check out their channel. In this video though, I'm gonna keep everything super simple. Let's get into it. Now get on TradingView and load the 1 minute chart of GBP USD. This is what TradeGenius used in their showcase, so we're gonna do the same. A total of 3 indicators are gonna be used for this strategy, and the first one is called Coral Trend Indicator. To add it to our chart, click on Indicators, and then type here Coral Trend Indicator and select this one by Lazy Bear. Then we're gonna change some settings. Click here and on the Style tab, uncheck the trend and the background color options. Then head over to the Inputs tab and change the smoothing period to 26 and click here to activate the bar colors and then click OK. So this trend indicator will be the one that will be used as a buy-sell indicator. We will take a long trade when the candles change color from red to green, like here, and we will take a short trade whenever the candles change color from green to red, like here. And of course, just like any other buy-sell indicator, this can't be used alone. It needs a trend confirmation indicator, and lucky for you and me, TradeGenius provided us with exactly that. And it's called Swingarm ATR. This one by VSNFND. Great. Then you're gonna click here to access the settings panel. On the Style tab, uncheck everything except for this very last plot's background. Then on the Inputs tab, change the ATR period to 12 and the ATR factor to 6 and then click OK. How this indicator works is really simple. When it's colored green and the price is trading above it, that is a bullish trend and we will be looking to take only long trades. But when it's colored red and the price is trading below it, that is a bearish trend and we will be looking to take only short trades. Last but not least, our third indicator is called Angle Attack Follow Line. Select this one by Dreadblitz. Access the settings panel. And on the Inputs tab, change the period to 50. And on the Style tab, uncheck everything except for the angle follow line. Then change color 0 and color 1 to this primary green and this primary red respectively. And then click OK. Now let's go over the conditions for entering trades. To enter a long trade, first, the Swingarm ATR indicator should be colored green and the price should be trading above it. Second, the angle attack follow line, this guy right here, should be colored green. And lastly, the coral trend indicator should change the color of the candles from red to green. All these conditions are met on this candle, so we enter a long trade. We're gonna set our stop loss right below the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're gonna set it at 1.5 times the risk. We let the trade run and full TP. Here is one more example. As you can see here, the Swingarm ATR indicator was colored green and the price was trading above it. This angle follow line was also colored green. Finally, we see that the coral trend indicator changed the color of the candles from red to green. We enter a long trade here, set our stop loss below the most recent swing low, and for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 1.5 times the risk. We let the trade run and take profit. To enter a short trade, you basically just have to do the opposite of everything we did for a long trade. Here's what I mean. First, the Swingarm ATR indicator should be colored red and the price should be trading below it. Second, the angle attack follow line, this guy right here, should be colored red. And lastly, the coral trend indicator should change the color of the candles from green to red. All these conditions are met on this candle, so we enter a short trade. We're going to set our stop loss above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we're going to set it at 1.5 times the risk. We let this trade run and take profit. Here's one more short example. As we can see here, the Swingarm ATR indicator was colored red and the price was trading below it. This angle follow line was also colored red. Finally, we see that the coral trend indicator changed the color of the candles from green to red. All these conditions are met on this candle, so we enter a short trade. Set our stop loss above the most recent swing high, which is this one right here. And for the take profit, we're going to set it at 1.5 times the risk. We let this trade run and take profit. As you can see, this is a super simple strategy. When everything's green, you buy. When everything's red, you sell. But is it also super powerful? Well, let's find out. I'm gonna backtest it 150 times using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The account size is gonna be set at $1,000 and we're gonna be risking 2% of that every time we take a trade. Let's get started. Now, the backtesting is done and we have the results. But before we share it with you guys, if you found value in this video, take 1 second and hit that like button below. Because by doing that, you're motivating us to keep creating these free and value-packed videos for you. So please do that. Now, after 150 trades, we see that the win rate was 60.67% and the gain on the account was 347%. We see that it had a profit factor of 2.31, 5 consecutive wins against 5 consecutive losses, and a maximum drawdown of 9%, which is a bit high. We definitely should have risked only 1% per trade. It took me just 2 weeks to find these 150 trades, which basically means that the strategy produces a lot of trade signals. Sometimes you may even have over 15 trades in a single day, and the majority of them might even lose. So to avoid this, we could trade only during specific trading sessions, maybe only during the London session, or only during the New York session. As always, remember this is just 150 trades and the backtest performance doesn't guarantee future results. That's been it for this video. Hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.